So you're looking for something new in your professional life and you've decided to update your LinkedIn profile. Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal the number one mistake that I see people make when they're using their LinkedIn profile to get their next job or to develop their professional brand. Hey everyone, my name's Dr. Benjamin Ritter. I'm a leadership and career coach guiding others to create a career they can love. And your LinkedIn profile is one of the greatest free tools that you have to be able to make progress towards your goals, because it gives people an impression of who you are, of what you do, of what impact you're having in the world, and what you want to accomplish next. And so often I see people use their LinkedIn profile not for any of that at all. It's almost like, why? What are you doing? And they're using their LinkedIn profile as an advertisement, not for themselves, but for their current job. Think about that. Go to your LinkedIn profile. Ask yourself, is the bio the first thing that it represents? Is the job you're at now? The organization you're working for? All the cool stuff about them? For the job that you have listed, are you promoting the organization? Are you just, like, what are you talking about when I go to your LinkedIn profile? Are you writing about you, about your skills and strengths, about what you are going to accomplish next? Or are you basically promoting your job to anyone else that maybe wants it in the future? And if you take that mindset shift and you think about it as an advertisement for yourself and not for your organization or the job you're at now, but for where you want to go, what changes? What updates do you make? How does your header change? How does the tagline change? How does your bio change? How do the details about your job itself change? What are you representing about your volunteerism? What are you writing potentially in reviews to other people so they can write reviews back to yourself? What skills are you highlighting? It's going to completely alter how your LinkedIn profile is created and put together. Think about this. Someone needs to go to your page and know that you are more than your job, because you are. A job is a job. Your LinkedIn profile needs to represent your brand and your career. So if you've taken one thing away, which is really just one thing, it's a mindset shift. It's going to completely alter, though, your strategy and how you use LinkedIn. Make sure you pay this forward. Share it with a friend, like it, leave some comments on the video. And hey, if you want more of this content, you should subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell next to that subscribe button to be notified of new content. Because I'm all about living for yourself. You should be all about living for yourself, because the most important thing right now is living for yourself.